Okay, friends, last week's winner, which was R.2, did not respond to the cookware, so we are drawing another name. Curtis, do a drum roll. We got to call out another name, guys. And the winner is Jill's Comfort Zone. She is this week's winner. So, Jill, you have 1 week to contact me. My email is in the description. And if Jill does not respond, we will have to do this again the following week, guys. But congratulations, Jill. Get back with me. As I said, you have 1 week. And congratulations, Jill. So go ahead and contact me. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm making up some Mexican rice. We're having some pork chops and some refried beans and some homemade flour tortillas and some salad. So I wanted to get on and show you one of the ways I like to, a different way. I make rice all different ways, but this is one that we enjoy. So I wanted to share it with y'all, and everything you need will be in the description. Here I have all my chopped up things here, which is onion and garlic and tomato and a couple of tablespoons of water just to get it moving. So I'll just chop this up, get it all mixed up there, and we'll get our rice frying. Okay, in my pan here, have it hot with some vegetable oil. And in my little sieve strainer here, I put a cup of white rice, and I just kind of moved it around under the faucet, rinsing it maybe a minute till you get a lot of that starch off there. And just let that hang out in your little strainer here, and let it release whatever bit of water that's left on there. And then what we're going to do here is keep our rice moving. We want to get this nice golden brown. And we'll get our sauce and a few other things in here. But we're just going to brown this. Don't let it burn. We just want it golden brown. Okay, we're just about there. See how nice and golden that rice is getting? You don't want to burn it. And I'm sorry I missed y'all. That darn COVID. I'm still hanging on to me a little bit, but ain't gonna stop me from cooking. But it did put me down for a few days, let me tell you. Okay, we got that where we want it. We're gonna add in our puree that we did with our tomatoes and our garlic and our onion. Smell that? Don't that smell good, Curtis?
Yeah.
The onions?
Oh yeah.
See, can't see them, Curtis.
No, they're in there hiding somewhere.
Yeah, you eat it like this. You're just gonna cook this down. You want that puree there to kind of evaporate. It's gonna kind of sear in there with that rice. And rinsing your rice gives you a nice fluffy rice. And that was quick. Boy, it smells good in here. Okay, now that's cooked off there. We're going. Now this is optional. Bell pepper. I just sliced a piece off the pepper. A little bit less than a quarter of a cup. Okay, that's all dried, and you can hear that frying there. Now we're going to add in our hot water. Our spices. And this is another optional, cilantro. I like to leave it big. That way whoever doesn't like it can take it out. And just give this a quick stir. Get everything mixed up. You're going to let this come to a boil. And then once it comes to a boil, and there it is, I'm going to put it on the lowest setting. And I'm going to put my lid on. We are not going to, got grease all over my lid. We're not going to lift that lid. It's important not to lift your lid, guys. And just let that simmer 18 to 20 minutes, okay? Okay, my friends, the rice is all done. Now, if you think your water's getting low, when it's almost done, you can lift that lid. And if your rice still looks like it's kind of firm yet, you can add another maybe quarter cup of hot water, put your lid back on, let it go. And when it's done, I leave it setting on the same burner, or move it if yours still stays real hot like an electric. Move it, leave the lid on, let it sit 5 minutes, then remove the lid, and then I'll let it set for another 5 minutes. And here you can see where the cilantro is at. If you don't like it, you can remove it. But you can see there how nice and fluffy that rice is. See there? See there how nice and fluffy that is? But I'll fluff this up and we'll get it bowled up, guys. Okay, my friends, there's the rice. We are going to have dinner. And as I stated, everything you need's in the description. And I wanted to thank each and every one of you that said prayers for me and Curtis and my husband with that COVID. And we really, really appreciate it. It makes us feel really special. Every time I would get on, I would see comments, and a lot of them from the same person. Let me tell you, you guys are really, truly appreciated. And we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. But I'll try the rice with y'all. That is so good. So good. It's going to be delicious with them pork chops and refried beans. Yummy. But anyways, there it is. You guys enjoy. We will see you next week. And my husband's in there like, hurry up. We hear you, Jesse. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Love y'all. Bye-bye.